got my first find here. It was a 62 to 65, and it is a button. It's a button. Shank is gone, I think. Well, it's a button or a pin. Looks more like a pin. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, found my next one. It was a 66. It's a little buckle. I dropped it. Yeah, where did I do it? Oh, here it is. It's a little buckle of something. Quite nice. Look at that. Nice little buckle. Made out of copper, I think. Yeah. See you at the next. Okay, got my next one. Was an 80, and it seems to be a coin. Not completely sure though. Yeah, we'll have to see. It looks like a coin. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, got my next one here. Was a 76, and I don't know. Well, it doesn't even look like a coin. It's probably some sort of tag or something. Oh well, see you at the next. Okay, next one here was a 65. This there. No, it's a ring of some sort. Oh well, can't see much on it. Just a ring. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, next signal was jumping from 80 to 92. That's about. Shank is still there. Probably nothing on it. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, found my next target. The signal was 52, and it's this some kind of ornate little thing. I'm not sure what it is or what it is part of, but yeah. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, next one, quite a high signal in the 70s, but it is a big musket ball as well. So yeah, nice musket ball. Happy with that. I normally get very small ones, but this is a nice big one. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, found my next one. It was a 76. It's vertical. Yeah, it's some sort of hammered coin, but what exactly? I'm not sure even if it's a hammered coin, but yeah, we'll see. See you at the next. Okay, got my next one here. It's a little pocket watch winder. Yeah, the hole is filled up like that, but it's a little pocket watch winder. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, next one was a cracking 81, 82 from about 10 inches, and it's a little copper buckle. The pin is there. Usually they made a pin of iron and it's not there, but this one is complete. Very nice. I'm happy with that. It's a nice find. I like little buckles, you know. It's a small one. Look at that. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, another 65, 66 big musket ball. Same size as the other one. Nice and big caliber. It's like a thick finger, you know. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, next one came from 6 inches. Was a 76. Where did it go? Oh yeah, here. It's a coin, I think. I'm not sure what is on there. It's not a hammered coin, it's more modern, but I can't see much on it. So yeah, we'll see. Have to clean it up. On to the next. Okay, next one, 7980 at about, well, just under the surface, 1-2 inches. It's a line cent, 2 cent. It's a bit smooth, I guess. But yeah, it's a coin. See you at the next. Okay, next one was a very loud 89, and it's this some type of buckle, I would say. Not sure. Yeah, there we go. See you at the next. Okay, another 76. It's a very small coin. It looks like copper. 1 cent maybe. Yeah. We'll see you at the cleanup. See you at the next. Okay, found my next one. It's a 2 line cent. Signal was 81 to 83. Yeah, 1 line cent or 2 line cent. Okay, see you at the next. Got another coin here, about 2 inches. Signal was 81. Yeah, see you at the next. Okay, got my next one, 75, and it's probably a coin with a hole in. I'll say probably because yeah, why not? Yeah, it's a roundel, some sort of roundel thing, I think. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, got my next signal. Was a very jumpy 50s and 45 to 50s. I think it's like a military cross, because I find these quite a few times before. Yeah, there you go, nice little cross. The loop is still intact. There we go, see you at the next. Hey, hello everyone, welcome at the roundup. We'll try to make this as short as possible. So this is iron, we have some modern bits and pieces, not sure what they are. This is a tag, has some metal in it, modern tag, a modern button, some sort of hook. We got this piece screwed up top of something, of machinery. 4 pieces of lead. We got a copper tube, a piece of brass, thin piece, and a piece of zinc. Then we got a piece of pottery. Just picked it up because I don't know. We got this brown piece. I don't know what it is, but it's not shrapnel. First thought it was shrapnel, but it's a piece of copper. I don't know exactly what, but no shrapnel. And then we got this little tag. Doesn't look interesting, but on the other side, you know, when it looks like silver and it has a crown on it, and you know, I got a bit excited at this, but it's nothing, it's just aluminium. Then we got a few war things here. We got pieces of shrapnel, and then we got, this is probably a smashed bullet with an iron an armor piercing one with a steel core and crushed at the end. And then we got one live round, and it's Evan, but I can't read the date. It might be wartime, it might be after the war. And we got a tent rivet and a machine gun bullet and a little cap, I think of a cap gun, something like that. And then we have a little lid of something, a little brass box, not sure what that's from, has nothing on it. 2 musket balls, big ones, heavy ones, and 2 cloth pins. We have some buttons, so the shank is gone. This one has Façon d'or on it, Façon dorée. So yeah, I don't know, looks old, but I don't think it's that old. This one, shank is also gone. This one is pewter. And we got another copper one, thick flat button with a hook on it. Lots of sand concretion on that one, so it might be quite old. And then we have this ornate little piece here. Has a hole in it. Might have been attached to, you know, furniture, or maybe even a gun, or it looks kind of old because it's scratched like that, so it's been worked with crude tools, not with fine machinery, so it's pretty old, but what it is exactly, I'm not sure. Just some ornateness. And then we got a ring, copper ring. Not sure if it's a ring, but I think not. It's got nothing on it. Just looks, yeah, like a seal ring of something. This is part of a buckle, like a rectangular buckle, but it's been bent a bit like this. And then we have a few small buckles, like this one, quite nice. This one is a bit older, I think. That's really, it looks a bit older, you know, the shape and stuff. Also those scratches on it from working it. Yeah, it's always nice. I like little buckles. Get a bigger D-type buckle or D buckle or something. This one is brass. Also nice. I have some sort of bag seal. Can't really read what's on it. I'll probably be able to read it on camera, on the screen, on a big screen, but I'm not really sure what it says now. It says Postosano, I don't know. Artificial. Well, it might be like a fertilizer, I think. Artificial fertilizer. I've never seen lead seal like that before. You know, it's got like a bigger loop here at the end. Yeah, that's kind of special. Never saw that before. And then we have a little pocket watch winder. And this is the part where you would put it in like this. Yeah. And we got the little cross. So you can see it's got like something that should go in there, but I don't know what. Although I've seen it in Sunrise Solaro's video and David's video, his last one. He found one with the contents here because it has rivets. it has rivets, but there's nothing attached to it. So that's not normal, you know. If you got rivets to attach something, you know, there should be something on it. There's nothing, so I always wondered what is on there, and now I think it's like wood, and I would really like to know it, because I find several of these crosses. Most are like this size, but I got a smaller one. Like this one would be a bit thicker and a bit shorter, but those three are, you know, exactly the same size, well, approximately, not completely, but they all have those rivets, every one of them. So I'm wondering, you know, if you find like 4 of them, it's not, you know, I'm thinking it's like something military or something, you know, that was given out to soldiers, but I haven't found anything about it, so I can't tell you more about that. But I'm hoping to find out one day. Oh well. And then we get the coins. This is a 2 cent, a 2 cent, this one as well, and this one as well. You can see it, 2 cent. These are older ones. This one is 1831, which is actually the first year they were made. Oh, sorry, no, 1835. Sorry, there it is. It says 1, 8, 3, and 5. I got nothing to point it out, but yeah. It's 1835, so, you know, Belgium was 5 years old at that time. It's Leopold I, got a stylized L on it. Point it out with a bullet. This is the L, like this, from Leopold I. It says Leopold Premier. And then we got this one. There's also Leopold the First, I believe. And that one is 1840s. You can see 1, 8, and that's a 4 and something I can't read, so 1840s. The small one is a bit rough. This is a 1 cent, that's a 2 cent. And that one has a very small date, like all the others. This one is 1896. And you can see 1, 8, 9, and a 6. I hope you can see that. It might be 1894, you know, the last figure might be a 4 as well. It's definitely 1, 8, 9, and then, yeah, probably 4. A 1 cent, so that's Leopold II. And then we got 2 others. They're readable on this side, but the other side is just blank on both of them. So I can't really say which ones they are, because they're just blank. And then we got this one. This is a 1700s coin. This is a 1 liard. It should say there on the top AD, A-D, here. And then Uzum, België is the B-E-L-G, 2 I's, and then Austria, that is this, Ost, and then this is the date, it's 1/7, and well, it's kind of hard to see, but it's a 5 and a 0, so it's 1750, and this is the mint mark right there, and the other side, but it's as you can see, it's a bit bent, so otherwise pretty good condition. But you can see her face on it. You can see it, you know, this is her face, this is her nose here, and the bust, see, like that. And then we have a few pseudo coins, you know, these discs with holes in them, 2 holes. They're not coins, they're just brass discs, and 1 roundel. Yep, that was it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in a new hunt. Good luck to all. Bye bye.